Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to embed a YouTube video inside a HTML web page or inside a website. So let's get started. To achieve this, we are going to make use of iframe. It's an HTML element, or we can say it's an HTML tag. So an iframe, it's a short for inline frame. It is an HTML element that allows you to embed another HTML page or content from another source. Suppose you want to embed a YouTube video inside a web page, you will be able to do it through iframe tag. You can also show a Google map inside a web page or also an external web page inside your own web page which you have developed. So what iframe does, it creates a window within your page that displays external content without navigating away from your current page. So you will stay on your current web page, but within that web page, you will be able to embed YouTube video, Google Map, or external web page with the help of iframe tag. So this is the basic structure. Iframe start tag and it has an end tag, and SRC, it's where you are going to provide the URL of the video or the map or the external web page. So let's see with an example how to achieve it. So I've created a folder on the desktop with the name HTML. Inside this, I have one HTML document. I'll just do a right click, open with Visual Studio Code. So this is the same file, video embed example.html. So in this HTML, you can see it has a start tag, HTML tag, okay, and it has an end tag. Similarly, it has one heading, and inside the heading we have provided a title, embed YouTube video, and it has a body tag, and inside the body we are providing one heading, my YouTube video. Okay, now let's save this. I'll press Ctrl S, and same file if I open with the Google Chrome, see I'm able to see the title provided or the heading which we have provided, that my YouTube video. Okay, now we are going to embed the YouTube video link. So we will display a YouTube video in this web page. To do that, let's take a sample video link. I'll access youtube.com and I'll type my channel name, Rishi Labs. For an example, I'll take the recent video, this one. Okay. Now suppose this is a YouTube video and we want to embed this video inside our web page. So we'll click on share button. Over here, you will get the first icon, that is embed. Click on it. Now this is the code which you need. So you need to select it and click on copy. Let's close this. Now I'll go back to the document. Now inside this HTML page, you just need to paste it. Okay, I'll just break down this code. You can set the width and height for the iframe. Then this is the, in SRC, you can see it's a YouTube video link, a title, frame border. So you don't need to write anything in this. You'll get the ready-made code to embed. Okay, and this is the closing tag of the iframe. Okay, so let's save. I'll press Ctrl S to save this document. Once it is saved, I'll go back to the Google Chrome and I'll just refresh it. You can see the refresh button, that is to reload this page, and we have got the YouTube video over here. So we can play this video by pressing it over here. You can just mute, unmute the video. Okay, you get all those options which are available on the YouTube. You can also share it. You can also watch in the full screen. Okay, you can also access the settings, captions. You can also pause the video or you can skip it. So this is how you can display a YouTube video, or you can embed a YouTube video inside your web page. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.